What is going on, YouTube? That was a really dumb intro. Anyways, my name is Zach Geek, and today I'm gonna be talking about the Android challenge. What is the Android challenge, you might be asking yourself? Well, I've seen a couple other YouTubers do this before, but basically, this is a Kindle Fire, in case you haven't seen my other videos, rooted with, what ROM is it? Hashcode's Jelly Bean ROM. It's not CM10 or anything like that. So yeah, this has Jelly Bean on it. And this is my iPhone 4S that I have come to use quite a bit because it's my phone and I use my phone a lot. So anyways, the purpose of this is unfocused. Crap. Anyways, whatever. The purpose of this is I want to see if a tablet and Android is right for me. Because as it stands right now, I only really use my Kindle for YouTube. And that's pretty pointless to spend $200 on something to watch YouTube on. So I decided to get all the apps that I use frequently on my iPhone, such as, let's see, what do I have? I have Instagram, Amazon, Twitter, a couple other social media, not Facebook because I don't use Facebook, a couple games here and there. So I want to I'm going to completely cut this off. So the only thing I'm going to use this for is as like a phone, so texting, calling, and music, because I listen to my music every day at the bus stop and stuff like that. So I think that's pretty fair for me to use this just for that, because I don't want to whip my tablet out every time I want to listen to music or something like that. So yeah, use this for everything. So web browsing, all the stuff that it's meant to be used for, instead of just YouTube, because that's pretty dumb. Don't get me wrong, I love watching YouTube on this. It's, the 7 inches. It's a pretty good size for it. But I want to get the Kindle Fire 8.9 inch that's coming out soon, the HD one. So that's kind of why. I don't want to spend $300 if this isn't going to work out. I don't want to spend $300 just to watch some YouTube and some other stuff. So when I've decided, I think since my phone is jailbroken, I'm going to get MyY, or, my phone's in airplane mode, but I'm going to get MyY, or what's that other one, PDA-Net, one of those. I don't want to buy like a $50 tethering plan from AT&T, so I'll see what options are available for that. So that way I can, whenever I'm at school, I can just take this out, because I have a couple books on here for class anyways, so I can just take this out if I'm on like the bus or something, and I can just check my Twitter, just connected to this. So I don't know how much data that's going to use. I don't have a huge monthly allowance. I have like 200 or 300 megabytes. But
yeah, so that's pretty much it. I urge you guys to try this if you have any Android devices, but you primarily just rely on your iPhone or your iPad or iPod or whatever. Say you have an iPad and a Nexus 7, just cut your iPad out for a week, and just see if the Nexus 7 is good for you, if you like it. Same thing vice versa. If you have an iPad and a Nexus 7, you only use your Nexus 7, which would be kind of weird, but cut your Nexus 7 out, use your iPad. Because I want to get used to this. I want to start web browsing on it. The screen is beautiful for it. There's no reason why I shouldn't be. I don't know why, because it's easier for me to type on a 3.5 inch screen versus trying to type on this, which isn't too bad, I guess. Yeah, see, I have this keyboard split apart, so yeah. Comment down below, tell me who you think is gonna win this. See if I'll in another week, let's see, what's today? Today is Wednesday, September 12th. So on Wednesday, September, I don't know, what day is that? It's the 17th? I don't know, somewhere around there. The day that iOS 6 is being released is the day that I'll start using my iPhone again. So we're pretty close to that anyway, since the Apple event was just today, actually. So yeah, so
when I come back to my phone, well, I'll still be using my phone every day, but not for apps and stuff like that. So when I come back to it, I'll get some iOS 6 running up on there, and yeah. So once again, comment down below, leave a rating. You know, a like is always appreciated. I'll love you if you leave a like, and you know, a favorite if you think I deserve a favorite. And yeah, so that's it. My name is Zach Geek, and this is an awkward outro. Goodbye.